welcome to Talk, Study, Create, and this is Manpreet. The topic we are going to talk about today is a very sensitive and a very crucial topic in present time, which had to be made a global priority. Mental health. What is mental health? Mental health is your emotional well-being. But there is so much taboo and stigma about this illness. So sometimes you might feel that you are like a broken wing. You want to fly, you want to try different things. आप कुछ चीजें करना चाहते हैं, but you cannot. You feel so frustrated, you feel so angry, so irritated. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आता है. You feel like doing nothing. You feel you want to stay alone. You don't want to socialize. आप किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं. You feel like there are so many screens inside and everything is muddled up. You are totally confused, and sometimes you might also think that your life has come to an end and you might experience suicidal thoughts. But my dear friend, it's okay to not be okay. It's alright to not be happy all the time and have bad times. It's okay to not feel good and being frustrated. It's alright. You have to know that this is very common and it is not a big deal. It is just like any other illness, like any other physical illness. But what is not certainly okay is demeaning that mental health victim, devaluating them, insulting them, labeling them as insane, crazy, उनको पागल का tag देना, then judging them and then isolating yourself from them. Dear people, those people are not aliens. They are just like you. The thing is, they are suffering from any other illness like we have. But what is worse is not seeking help. You know that you have symptoms of any psychological disorder like depression, schizophrenia, OCD, and then not seeking medical and professional help from psychologists or psychiatrists is not correct. Because if these symptoms and if these psychological disorders are ignored, people can commit suicide, they can end up their life, it can cause someone's life. This negative attitude of society can cause someone's life. According to WHO, 8 million people every year die of suicide, and depression and psychological disorders being a major cause of that. So basically, why these people don't speak up, why the mental health victim remain in silence, वो कुछ बोलते क्यों नहीं है, why they don't come up to seek help, and why this mental illness is not considered like any other illness. It is easier to say that I am suffering from cancer than to say I am suffering from depression. Why? Just because of the myths, the stigma, the taboo our society has created. The first stigma is that the people who suffer from mental health disorders or psychological disorders are not strong people. It is a sign of weakness. आप कमजोर हैं. But that is not true. Mental illness can be, or any person, the strongest person can also suffer from psychological disorders. More than environmental or physical, it is biological and neurological. Second one is that people think those who are mental health victims, but that is again not correct. They require proper medical assistance as it is required in any other physical illness. We require meds, they require counseling therapies, they require the help of psychiatrists and psychologists. Also, people think that the victims of mental health fake it. Like it is in their control, they just do it to gain attention. Again, that is very incorrect. If someone comes to you and say that I have hole in my heart and मेरे दिल में एक छेद है, will you say that you are faking it and you are just doing it to gain attention? No, you won't. Because physical illness are given so much priority and so much limelight that mental illness are not given. Why not give them equal importance? Because their illness is in the same body, right? Then there not psychologically fit or mentally unfit are violent. Hence, people try to isolate themselves from them. But it is not true. 7% of mental health victims with specific psychological disorders are violent. Just 7%. Then comes the most prominent stigma. Stigma of being labeled, stigma of being laughed at, stigma of being judged. People know if we are going to speak up openly, then people will say that we are crazy, we are insane, society will isolate from themselves, our respect will decrease, hence we will also be sent to the mental asylum. We should not do that. We should be empathetic. We should know how to be choose of others and how to have an empathetic soul and listen. For ages we have been saying that a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, and it is completely true. But it is high time we have to realize that for a healthy body, a healthy mind, a mentally fit mind, a mentally sound mind is also required. Health contains two components, mental health and physical health, and both the aspects should be given importance, equal importance. We have to make mental health a global priority. We have to end the stigma. We have to show positive attitude and empathetic attitudes toward mental health. We have to stop laughing at, stop labeling the mental health victims. We have to realize the pain is pain, either physical or mental. Illness is an illness, either physical or mental, and we have to treat them equal. It should not be made a big deal. We have to speak up if we find any symptoms of psychological disorders. We have to reach out to psychologist or a psychiatrist, seek professional medical help and get fine. And also know that it is not possible to be happy all the time, and if you are not happy all the time, it does not mean that you are crazy, you are an alien. आप एक normal इंसान है, you are a normal person, and you have to treat yourself as normal. And if you get suicidal thoughts, if you think that I should end my life, just realize that you are alive for a reason, and that reason is very clear. Just bring your right hand to the left of your body. You feel that heartbeat and you are alive for that reason. And don't let that reason fade away so soon. Hence, let's end the stigma. Let's create the awareness. Share this with your neighbors, with your friends, with your cousins, with your classmates, with your family, with anyone you know, because it is important to create awareness. Make mental health a global priority. I again say, end the stigma, end the taboo, because due to these difficult times, mental health is changing for the worse. I'll be creating more videos on mental health to create awareness, the positive aspect of mental health, how can we improve mental health, finding a safe space, how to speak to any other person, what are the psychological disorders, what are the symptoms, and many more. Mental health is a broad concept, and we will be talking. Stay safe, stay home, stay tuned, and stay mentally fit.